In this video, I will discuss a most frequent and a fundamental rule of differentiation, which is generally known as the power rule of differentiation. For understanding this concept, we will consider a general function, say f of x, which is equal to x power n. We will take its derivative with respect to x on both sides, that is d over dx of f of x is equal to d over dx of x power n. This d over dx of f of x can be represented by f prime of x in simple notation, and this function on the right hand side can be differentiated by this power rule of differentiation. We will apply it as bring power to the base, that is the power which is in, we will bring it to the base, then we will decrease it by 1, that is x power n minus 1. It is here we decrease it by 1, and then we will differentiate it with respect without power. That is, in the final step we will differentiate it without power. So this is our power rule of differentiation, which can be summarized as bring power to the base, decrease it by 1, and then differentiate without power. So now we can write it as in x power n minus 1, and this derivative of x with respect to x is simply 1. So our derivative of this general function is in x power n minus 1. This is our most fundamental and the most frequent rule of power used in the differentiation. Now we will apply it to the most particular functions. For example, we have a function f of x, which is simply x cube plus x power minus 2 plus, for example, 3. We will differentiate it on both sides with respect to x, that is d over dx of f of x is equal to d over dx of x cube plus d over dx of x power minus 2 plus d over dx of 3. Now this d over dx of f of x can be written as f prime of x, and this x cube can be differentiated as first we bring its power to the base, that is 3, then we will decrease it by 1, that is 3 minus 1, and then we will differentiate it without power. Next can be again simply written as bring power to the base, decrease it by minus 1, and then differentiate it without power. And as 3 is a constant and the derivative of constant is 0, so we will write it as 0. So it will be 3 x power 3 minus 1 is 2, dx over dx is 1, this plus into minus is minus 2, x power minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, and again dx over dx is 1. So this derivative will be 3x square minus 2x power minus 3. This is the derivative of the above function f of x. Now I will consider another example. For example, we have f of x is equal to x power 3 over 2. We can differentiate it by using this rule as f prime of x is equal to d over dx of x power 3 over 2. We will again simply use this rule, that is we will bring its power to the base, which is 3 over 2, then we will decrease it by 1, that is 3 over 2 minus 1, and then we will differentiate it without power. So this will be equal to 3 over 2 x power 1 over 2 and 1. So this is simply 3 over 2 x power 1 over 2 or 3 over 2 square root of x. So by using this rule of differentiation, we can differentiate each and every function involving powers. I hope this cleared your concept of differentiation. Kindly subscribe this channel for more mathematics and physics related concepts.